How to find trending topics on your niche in less than 5 minutes. Even if you're a beginner, this is so simple. It's one of the things you are going to be doing in order to get what is trending in your niche. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find different trending topics on your niche in just less than 5 minutes. If you're just a beginner, you don't need to stress yourself. Just this video is for you. Hi everyone, I am OZIQ. I'm here to help you creators to grow your YouTube channel faster and smarter. So we are talking about different ways of finding trending topics on the YouTube for your niche. So this is one of the steps. Step one is use Google Trends. I know some of you are just hearing this Google Trend for the first time. All you have to do is to go to Google Trends and find different trending topics on your niche. And once you get them, all you have to do is to develop them, or you can go ahead to watch other people's video and see what happened, browse on them, watch on them, see different things that people said about that, then combine it and say your own. This is the only way, this is one of the ways you can see trending topics on your niche. So this Google Trend, I know most of you don't know it what it is. What you have to do is to go to Google, the normal way in which we search for things on Google. So all you have to do is to go to Google, type in Google Trends. Then you now see trend.google.com. Then you now search for what you are searching for. Don't worry, in the next video after this video, I am going to drop a guide, step to step guide on how you can use that Google Trend. But on this video, I am here to just mention the ways in which you can find trending topics on your niche. So one of the things you can do as well is to use AI tools to find trends on your topic. So what do you do here? All you will do is to go to any AI tool that you're using. If you're using ChatGPT, you can tell just ChatGPT to tell you the trending topics on that particular niche. You can narrow it down to the year or the month or days, depending on how you want it to be. Just use it and it will be okay. You'll be able to get an insight on what you are going to produce as your next video. There is another thing you can as well do as you are looking for this trending topic using Google Trend or using AI tools. What you can do is that you can narrow it down to your region, to your country, to where, as in you have to you can narrow it down so that it won't be too cumbersome for you, it won't be too much for you. If you narrow it down, they will just go for things that are related to where you are coming from, the place you are coming from. And remember, if you're talking about this, you have to tell them the category in which you are talking about. Like if you're talking about entertainment, if you're talking about music, if you're talking about arts, you can just narrow it down and tell them this is the particular place you are narrowing it down to, so that they will also get a site that is more focused on what you are looking for. Then another thing is you can as well some mention things like rising versus top trends. So when you write something like that, they will know exactly what you are doing. Then the next thing you have to do is you can as well use, many people don't know this particular thing I am about to say now. And we have all been seeing it, but we don't really know what it is and how to use it. That one is you can use a YouTube trending, check YouTube trending and explore it. Do you actually know that YouTube used to drop trending things for you depending on the niche you are coming from? And sometimes they used to mix it up. They used to tell you different things that is happening. Do you actually know that this kind of thing is happening on the YouTube streets? I know many people don't know about it. So you can open YouTube and check the trending tabs. Scroll down and down and down to get the things you are looking for. If you get what you are looking for, you can as well develop it, or you can as well, check it, turn it the way you want it to be, then make your own video. Then another thing you can use is you can use social medias Like YouTube is a social media, other social media account, social media platforms like Twitter, TikTok, explore them, explore the pages, get the things that are happening there, then come and develop it on your own YouTube channel. Come and develop it on your own niche. Get the things that are happening on your own niche and develop that. Do you guys understand what I am saying? Mention fast moving viral trend, use hashtags, use in fact, use anything you know that is related to what you are looking for. For instance, you can say hashtag YouTube tips, hashtag viral topics, hashtag content ideas, if that is what you are looking for. Do you understand? They will be able to narrow it down for you and tell you this is the things you are looking for. Then you explore it and see if this is actually working or not working. Then another thing is, I've told you about using AI tools. You can use ChatGPT, you can use vidIQ, you can use TubeBuddy, whatever. Then you can use keyword tools in order to get the information you are looking for. All you have to do, just try your best, explore, just go around, try it, and you see all of them working for you. Then another thing is, don't forget to combine what's trending with your niche. It's not like you're just making video. No, you have to make video that relate to your niche, or you're just making trending topics, but it is not actually your niche. No, what you have to do is to make sure you narrow it down to your niche, because when you narrow it down to your niche, it's going to help you more. Then another thing I want you people to do is tell me the content. Maybe there is a content you are creating and you're getting it difficult. Tell me that on the comment section. Let's see what we can do together. You can tell me, I can give you some tips on what you can use for your this thing. But another thing, I've told you guys that I am going to be dropping how to use Google Trends after this video. And I will also drop how to use YouTube trending to check for trending topics. So if you are actually interested in watching this, because that one is going to be a bonus point to this particular one that we are doing right now. So if you are confused on this whole thing I have said, just go to the next video and see for yourself step by step approach on how to use Google Trends and how to use YouTube check trending. So how to explore it, how to use those things. And again, please don't forget that this is Ozi IQ. We'll give you all the things you need to know to grow smarter, how to choose your topics, how to work on your niche in order to grow smarter. So that is what we do on this channel. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Don't forget to share, like, and comment on this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe so that we'll keep growing.